Hi, my name is Clive from Gatherers Catering.
My name's Justin, also from Gatherers Catering.
And we're going to show you how to cook one of the Easter recipes this evening. And we're going to try it with this wine here, the Arboleda Syrah, the 2017 from Chile. And the dish, what are you going to do?
So we're going to do a lovely rack of lamb, perfect for Easter, spring lamb. We're going to give it a little herb crust. We're going to sear it in a pan, hot pan first, get the fat rendered down, give it a little brush with mustard, herb crust, and then in the oven for about 20 minutes.
And that's going to be with some
pomme dauphine, a little
dauphine,
potato fritter, and some broccoli.
Delicious. So, to the wine. This is from the Aconcagua Valley, named after the volcano of the same name in the Andes. This is a Chilean Syrah. Don't get so much Syrah in that part of the world as you might think. And I'm looking forward to tasting this. I hope it's going to be a good match for the man. There we are. As you can see, it's still got quite a good. I mean, there's not much sign of the aging in the colour. It's still deep. Lovely, sort of brambly nose, I would say. Good acidity, and that's going to be great with the lamb because you want something to sort of cut through the richness of the fat.
So we've got a nice little sear going on, nice hot pan, nice bit of colour and getting the fat rendered down. So we've got the lambs nice and brown, little render on the other side. Just going to give it a little brush with some Dijon mustard. We don't want anything too punchy for this. It's just going to help the crust stick to it. And then we'll take our herb crust.
So what's
give it a good herb crust. So there's fresh white breadcrumbs, some tarragon, some chervil, some parsley, and some mint, and a little bit of seasoning. So just press that on. We'll put a little bit on extra, which we'll probably lose a little bit. And we'll pop that in a medium oven, probably about 150, 160, for 15 minutes or so. Okay, so we've cooked our lamb at about 20 minutes, nice and low, about 140, 150 degrees. It's had a good 5 minutes resting time. Now's the moment of truth. We're going to cut into it and hopefully it's cooked. So when we carve, we've got quite a big long knife. And we're just going to go in one motion all the way through, forward.
Why?
That is because we don't want to pull back and pull the crust off. I'd say that was almost spot on.
Very good.
So one movement like that, and then yeah, we're cooked. And then we're just going to pop that onto the plate, nice warm plate. Here we have some pomme dauphine, which is mashed potato and choux pastry, just mixed together and then deep fried in a little fritter. And serve that with some charred broccoli. And then we've got a little Madeira gravy, just to go over the lamb, just to warm it up a little. And there you go. Clyde's going to give that a whirl and hopefully it goes fine.
Wow, looks fantastic. So Dauphine potatoes, Justin, they are
mashed potatoes and choux pastry, equal amounts.
not to be confused with Dauphinoise.
Exactly, no one wants to make that mistake. The creamy gratin.
But quite a nice sort of, so you want a bit of crispiness going with your perfectly cooked lamb. I think you're very modest about that. And then we've got the wine, which I've been sampling a bit further, as you can see. And it's been open for 20 minutes now, which has sort of integrated the fruit and the tannins and the acidity are really quite harmonious now at this point. So lamb first.
How's it?
Delicious. And this is lamb from our local farm shop who actually rear their own beasts. So I know that this is South Downs lamb.
Very good.
That's why it's quite small. Yeah, it's great with the wine. The wine's great with it. It's great with the wine. You could have red currant jelly with this.
Very good.
No,
Nice.
chef wouldn't be too upset.
No, chef wouldn't mind.
And I think it would work well with the wine as well.